Hey vlog, we're in the car. We're going to the store called Van Tran to get noodles so we can do the spicy noodle challenge. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah.
You're making a YouTube video, but you have a brush your teeth.
Oh, so hello. Say hi. So we're gonna be doing the noodle challenge. We're using these noodles, and we're gonna put our seasoning in right now. Okay, put in your seasoning.
Here, what is this, pepper?
Yeah. It says it's 2 times hot. This right here is like.
I'm gonna die. I don't even like real original hot ones.
This is seed. I like spicy stuff. Like I put hot sauce in everything. Wait, don't do that. Get scissors. I'll get scissors. So today we're matching. Our things say queen of everything. And we're have matching. Oh, it's spilled! Ah, that's what I get. And our sunglasses. Mine are pink, hers are black. Here, pour yours in.
You're just gonna like keep it in there?
Smells spicy. Right?
Oh, that's burning my nose. This is already running.
I think this is not going to be hot for me. We have waters over there, and the first one to get water loses. And we don't know what the loser does yet.
But it's my napkin.
Oh, sorry. We'll switch. I'm trying to get back in there. So it's like fair. Yeah, this is yours. Okay.
Needs one.
When I film on my phone.
So bad. Is this literally on?
We're about to do the spicy noodle challenge. Are you ready? I'm ready.
I was like, why did you have your glasses on? Oh!
Okay.
Good and back.
Alright, so. Oh, nothing. I'm making a YouTube video with Anaya right now. We gotta go. We're about to eat noodles. Oh, wait, let's take a picture of it.
I'm scared. I'm about to cry, guys.
Take one of me. Thumbnail. You know the struggle. Are we gonna try to eat it as fast as we can?
No, I don't want to do that. After we try it.
Okay, I'll have the timer out already.
Can I at least get a little pick of it?
No, ready? Ready? Are you ready?
I'm gonna cry.
Ready? Try it, come on. Hurry, I'm ready. I'm excited. Like, I've seen so many videos about this and I'm excited. I want to see like how hot it actually is. Are you ready? Hold on. Ready? Set, go.
I'm literally burning inside.
Ready? I'm going to start the clock now. Ready? Set, go.
I'm losing. I'm already crying. How are these not hot cheese?
It's not, like, I feel the tingle on my tongue.
My tongue is literally sweating right now. I'm not gonna get the red part. Hold on.
It tastes better than I expected. I thought it was going to be nasty and like hot. But it just tastes good.
Hot.
I like it. I mean, it's burning my stomach, so I probably wouldn't eat it again.
I'm sorry, I must cry.
Her nose is running. Oh my god.
It's not that bad, as people say it is.
I know they
But it's still pretty hot. Like, I'm just acting like this because I usually don't eat hot stuff. Somehow I thought this was going to be like normal spicy ramen.
My stomach. I'm already full. You're not gonna eat it?
I'm dying. My lips hurt.
My tongue tingles.
Both. Oh my god. Do you think they taste hotter? Because of my burn?
You have a tongue? I mean, you have a burn on your tongue? It's getting hot!
My lips are burning. I'm trying to kiss ice. Let's go again. Scared as heck.
I'm full.
I'm gonna cut half of that.
Well, I'm actually full.
Sorry for the noise downstairs. People are down there.
Oh yeah. We had to film in my room because
We couldn't film it.
they're watching George Lopez.
It's funny as heck though.
George Lopez is my dad. Ew! My stomach hurts. This is too much food for me. I don't eat a lot. I'm full. We're at 4 minutes. I thought I was really hungry, but I'm full. Pretty hot. My stomach hurts.
I must choke that one.
Comment down below what kind of videos you want to see. Can I have some water?
We're running out of ideas.
We're running out of ideas. We'll have a lot of ideas, I'm just scared to do it, to be honest.
We already did the smoothie challenge. We did the ramen noodle challenge. Spicy noodle challenge.
Like, it feels good on my mouth. That water feels good. I have like literally a little bit left I could finish. But I'm just full. Like, actually
Guys.
full.
This is literally 2 packs, by the way. So that makes it extra hot. It's like 4 times hot.
Oh yeah. My lips are burning now because I drank the water.
The best feels like it's super hot.
And the fire comes out.
You put it on there.
You can find these for me.
A little
It was kind of complicated to find the noodles because I looked it up at like online and it said to buy them at Walmart. And I went to Walmart, there was none. So I had to go to a Chinese store.
And if you live close to us, which is in Keller, you can find these at Downtown. I don't know. We'll put the name somewhere.
Van Tran.
Van Tran.
What? Yeah, that's where I got mine. It was $5.99 for a 5-pack and then like $1.50 for a 1-pack. I don't know. I'll put the vlog clips in so you can see. I don't like how the noodles are so like thick. You know, like, I don't like it.
Yeah, dude.
Totally. Here.
They're really good. Okay. I'm just gonna like cover my eyes. I don't want to share my emotions.
I can't finish it. I'm full. So, what do you have to say to them?
I fudge cake and flipping hate this.
Your turn. Okay.
I'm literally dying.
So,
Don't mind the mess.
this is like the little bit that I have left. Not much. And then she literally has her whole plate. She only had ice. I had water. That's how much I drank. There's our trash.
I'm dying right now.
Am I in it now?
Literally.
Check. Oh, hold on. Check and see if I'm in it.
Okay, there. Now your head's
My
in.
whole head. Please tell me my whole head is in there.
Okay, now your whole head's in.
Okay. It was cool. I mean, to see if it was actually spicy to you. But I really wouldn't recommend like eating it so fast. Oh yeah, our time was like 8. But I kept it running, so.
Yeah. So technically it was 4.
Okay, yeah, I wouldn't want to like rush this because it made my stomach hurt.
My tongue hurt.
My stomach is little, so I couldn't really eat all of. This is why we're not allowed to eat in my room.
My stomach is literally this big.
Yeah, same. I can't eat a lot, so.
I don't know why, but the only thing I can eat a lot of is like shrimp. Like I can eat 3 plates of shrimp.
I can't eat a lot at all in general. Okay, but yeah, these noodles from 1 to 10, what would you rate them? Like, how good are they? They're 0. Okay, they're like an 8. They're pretty good. How spicy? I would say 10 because I've never had like any kind of food that is like supposed to be really spicy and is spicy. And especially like made spicy noodles, like the ramen noodles in a cup that are spicy. They're spicy, but not really.
They're really spicy to me. You know that last time Lauren was here? When we went downstairs and nobody was asleep, I was literally burning trying to eat those noodles that we shared. I was like,
but yeah, comment down below what you want to see next. I'm trying to do like everyday vlogs, but
we're trying to figure out the schedule.
Yeah, I don't know the schedule either, so it's just randomly. And the everyday vlog problem is that like some days I just stay home and do nothing, and I don't know what to vlog. Like that's pretty boring. I wouldn't want to see that, so I don't vlog that. But I don't know. I might change that.
Go follow me.
But comment down below what you want to see. My lips are burning. Are they getting big?
My lips feel like Kylie Jenner's lips.
I feel like they're popping. But yeah, comment down below. Like, subscribe. You don't have to if you don't want to. I really don't care.
Dislike. I don't give 2.
Don't dislike, please. But yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you liked it, and then this wasn't for nothing. But yeah.